Are you tired of worrying about the safety of your parked car or ever feel unsafe while driving? What if there was a way to have a constant eye on your vehicle, even when you're not around, and always have help available when you need it most? Today, we're diving into the Nextbase iQ Smart HD Dashcam Pro and its 64GB micro SD card bundle. Let's break down what makes this dashcam so unique and whether it's worth your attention. Welcome to Autovated, the home of in-depth, unbiased automotive product reviews. Today, we're exploring the Nextbase iQ 4K Smart HD Dashcam, packed with features like Smart Sense Parking, Guardian Mode, Witness Mode, and Emergency SOS response. Let's see if this is the next must-have car gadget, or just another dashcam trying to stand out. The Nextbase iQ offers a comprehensive solution to vehicle security. It provides both front and rear view coverage in stunning 4K, capturing every detail on the road. Its standout feature is the Smart Sense Parking, which monitors movement around your car and sends instant alerts for any potential threats. It uses AI-driven spatial awareness to keep an eye on everything from other vehicles to pedestrians. This dashcam also integrates with the iQ app, which allows you to receive alerts in real time and even intervene using the built-in alarm or voice control. One of its most notable features is the Guardian Mode. This allows you to set speed and location limits with notifications if those are breached. You can also tap into live feeds from both the front and rear cameras via the app, allowing you to check in on your car at any time. Perfect if you're lending your car to someone else, like your teenager or even a valet. On top of this, Witness Mode ensures you're never alone in a stressful situation. By simply saying "Start Witness Mode," you can instantly share live footage of an incident with a trusted contact, providing backup when needed most. In case of an accident, the iQ's Emergency SOS response feature can instantly dispatch emergency services to your location, even if you're unresponsive. Medical and location details are automatically shared, ensuring you get help fast. So, how does this compare to the competition? When compared to other premium dashcams like the Garmin 66Ws or the Vantrue N4, the Nextbase iQ has a significant edge with its combination of AI-driven safety features and emergency response capabilities. While the Garmin 66W offers solid performance, its lack of Smart Sense Parking and advanced AI makes the iQ a more comprehensive choice for car security. The Vantrue N4 offers a 3-camera setup, but lacks the emergency response or live footage sharing options, which could make the Nextbase iQ a stronger all-around investment for drivers looking for peace of mind. Pro's 4K front and rear view recording ensures crystal clear footage. Smart Sense Parking and Guardian Mode provide unparalleled vehicle security. Witness Mode offers backup in dangerous situations. Emergency SOS response for instant 911 assistance. AI-powered Roadwatch helps you prove your side of the story in accidents. Cons: these TUP might be tricky for non-tech-savvy users. Higher price point compared to some competitors. When it comes to value for money, the Nextbase iQ offers a solid package for its price. While it's priced higher than some entry-level models, the added security features like Guardian Mode and Emergency SOS response make it a valuable investment for those who prioritize vehicle safety and personal security. This dashcam is ideal for those who want more than just a camera in their vehicle. It's a full-on security system, best for drivers who frequently park in high-risk areas or for those who want to stay connected to their car even when they're not around. If you're after a budget-friendly option, there are alternatives, but none with the same level of integrated security features. If you're still with me and this review has got you interested, give us a quick like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop with all the latest automotive tech. Conclusion: strong option. If you value top-notch security, 4K recording, and AI-powered features, the Nextbase iQ is a top contender. It's more than just a dashcam. It's a safeguard for your car and your peace of mind. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in checking out the Nextbase iQ, be sure to look in the description or comments for the links. And if you've got any questions or want to share your experience, drop them below. Stay safe on the road, and until next time, keep your car automated.